Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ann. So today is all about this look. Recently I have a huge haul on Colourpop single eyeshadow. At first I just want to add, a couple of color to my current Z palette. Just to give you an idea, this is what my Z palette used to look like. It has some shimmer, has some matte in it. And then I end up getting all of this color from Colourpop, and that's not all of it. I'm gonna show you guys some of my favorite color and also create this look by using those colors. And then I'm gonna do a review and try on this beauty. Makeup Revolution. It has 15 highlighters. I think that their new version. And it's only $20. It's highly pigmented. You can use it as blush, bronzer, eyeshadow, highlighter. Oh my god. I mean, I don't normally put shimmer on my face, but this one I just can't let it go. I can just look at it and be happy. I use some of this color to create a blush. The blush dripping is so popular recently. When it comes to makeup, I'm more about being subtle because it's more suitable for daily wear. Well, except this eye look, just to give you guys an idea about Colourpop. So if you're interested, continue watching. So for this eye look, I use these 4 colors. So Set Track and Glass Bowl, Cloud 9 and Crown Jewel. That's how pigmented they are. I really like this color. It's called Glass Bowl. I'm gonna use this one as a transitional color. This is gonna be the outer V color. It's called Cloud 9, and this purple called Crown Jewel. To just match everything. I actually made this myself. I've never do this. It's prom time. So I'm gonna start with a blush. So I'm gonna use this as a blush color and mix with a little bit this just to soften it up. I always think less is more, so I always start very light-handed. Can always build it up later. When I do blush, I like to make it like a Nike swoosh. When I do blush, I never make it all the way there because that's just gonna exaggerate the problem because my face is pretty square. The color is super pigmented, so it's strong enough that it's actually make your feature more prominent. So if you make it all the way, then my face is like more square. I try to make it not past your nose because it's actually make you look older. I'm gonna use this color to soften it up. Basically just like have a circle around it, make it have a soft focus to make it gently blend in a little bit. And for the highlighter, I like to just use my index finger because sometimes you don't look at yourself on the side and you just keep doing it and it's gonna be too much. So I'm gonna use this color Rich. Think about using a highlighter to make your face where you want it to pop. See, I want here pop, so For bronzer, I'm going to use this color. It sounds like a safer choice. And if you feel fancy, you can also use these colors. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you happen to have the same palette, let me know what is your favorite color. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.